We're on a twin otter. From Miri, we took a 20-seat twin otter plane to Mulu National Park, nestled between two mountain ranges and the western border of Brunei. Among these mountains are deep gorges, razor-sharp limestone peaks, clean rivers, and virgin rainforest supporting a vast array of habitats and diverse and unique wildlife and plants.
Ground camp.
What'd you have here?
Pitcher plant. It's like the Venus flytrap.
A stick bug on me here. Mulu also contains one of the world's most extensive networks of cave passages, stretching over 130 kilometers. There are 4 major caves that can be visited, all with their own unique qualities. Clearwater Cave has a subterranean river. Sometimes it gets a little wet at Mulu. But the accommodation is warm and dry, and actually quite nice for dorms. And sometimes you don't even have to go out to see the wildlife. The next day we hiked out to Lang and Deer Caves. It takes about an hour and a half to get there. This morning we came across completely new species of plants and animals than what we had seen the day before.
Look at the markings on it. Yeah.
Okay. We even came across a snake that not even the rangers had seen before. Our guide looked a little nervous. Lang Cave is perhaps the most beautiful of the 4 caves. It is full of stalagmites and stalactites, stone-rimmed pools and columns. Curtains of rock hang from the ceiling, and the walls stand like a petrified pipe organ. Waterfalls everywhere, from small drips to cascades, reminding us that the process that created these phenomenal structures 5 million years ago is still going on. The size of the gaping cavern in the side of the mountain called Deer Cave is incomprehensible. It is the world's largest cave passage at 160 meters high and 150 meters wide. The deer that once inhabited the cave are long gone, but the 3 million free-tailed bats that cling to the cave's roof are the current residents. Waterfalls and curtains everywhere. Water isn't the only thing falling in this cave.
It's a field of guano.
Below lies a deep sea of stinking bat guano.
Civet tracks.
It covers absolutely everything and provides nutrition for all sorts of creatures.
Earwigs. Over here.
Oh, that is so gross.
That is a big cave.
Each evening, the 3 million free-tailed bats form a massive flying ball outside the deer cave and wait for the right moment to make a break from the cave and away from any raptors that lie waiting. It is an amazing spectacle. The local tourists were especially wowed. Mulu is one of the most amazing places on this planet. It is very clear to see, however, that the rainforests are rapidly depleting from logging and palm oil plantations. It is our hope that magical places like Mulu will be here for generations to come.